Adding references to your EndNote library. You can add references to your EndNote library by manually adding them, or by transferring a set of references from an online resource, for example a library database or library catalogue. To manually add a reference to your EndNote library, select the Add a New Reference icon in the References panel. It looks like a clipboard with a plus symbol. A pop-up window appears. Select a reference type. Then input the details of your reference. In the author field, put a space between the first and last names. For example, Bond, space J or James. Put any additional authors on a separate line by pressing the Enter key on your keyboard. Please note, if the author is an organization or corporation, then you must insert a comma immediately after entering the organization or corporation name. Leave no spaces. The comma is important as it ensures that the reference displays as you might expect it to. Fill in the required fields. Scrolling further down, you may wish to add keywords or notes. For example, type your favorite color into the keywords field. You can then later find the reference by simply searching within your EndNote library for the color. Incidentally, the notes field can hold around 5,000 words. When you have finished entering the reference details, click on the Save button, then close the pop-up window. Notice that the reference is now within your EndNote library. You can preview it by selecting the Summary tab in the panel to the right.